Hey everyone, today I'll reveal 10 hidden shortcuts in Windows 11 that can supercharge your productivity and make your life so much easier. Let's dive right in. 1. Open Quick Settings. Want fast access to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or display settings? Just press Windows key plus A and boom, quick settings are right there at your fingertips. 2. Open Notification Center. Need to check all your alerts and calendar events in one go? Hit Windows key plus N and the Notification Center pops up instantly. 3. Snap Layouts. Multitasking just got better. Use Windows key plus Z to activate snap layouts and arrange your apps perfectly on the screen. No more dragging windows around. 4. Switch between virtual desktops. Organize your life with virtual desktops. Quickly switch between them by pressing Windows key plus Control plus left or right arrow, whether it's for work, study, or gaming. 5. Open Emoji and GIF panel. Want to spice up your chats or emails? Press Windows key plus semicolon to access the emoji panel, complete with emojis, GIFs, symbols, and even K-emojis. 6. Use clipboard history. Ever wished you could go back to something you copied earlier? With Windows key plus V, you can view your clipboard history and paste anything from your recent copies. Total game changer. 7. Take a partial screenshot. Need to capture just part of your screen? Press Windows key plus Shift plus S to open the snipping tool and select the area you want to capture. Easy and precise. 8. Access Task Manager. Quickly. Is your system running slow? Open the Task Manager instantly with Control plus Shift plus ESC to check what's going on and take control. 9. Open Settings directly. Forget navigating endless menus. Press Windows key plus I to jump straight into settings and make adjustments in a snap. 10. Lock your PC instantly. Stepping away from your desk, press Windows key plus L to lock your PC and keep your work safe. It's quick, easy, and secure. And there you have it. 10 hidden Windows 11 shortcuts that can make your life so much easier. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next video.